Hey everyone, I'm Joyce and I'm here with another product update video. So we just released 4 new features that will help you guys onboard easier to Magical. Basically everything in this launch is to help you guys get to use templates easier and faster so you don't have to spend so much time creating them, so you guys can use them right away and it won't disrupt your workflow. So all of these new features are located in the Create button. So if you're on the panel or you're in the workspace, if you click on the caret right next to Create, you'll see a drop down of 4 different options, and those are all the things we're going to go through today. So starting off with the first feature is our CSV Template Importer. So if you are with another text expander app and you've considered switching over, you're just kind of married to this other text replacement app because all of your hundreds or thousands of shortcuts are in there. So now what you can actually do is just install Magical and then go to getmagical.com/import, and you can import all of your existing templates if you have them in a CSV or JSON file. And after you drag and drop that file, Magical will just convert all of those into templates for you to use. And in just under a minute, you've basically transferred over all of your existing templates and you can get started right away. So the second feature is copy and paste templates. This one I'm personally really excited about because I'm a hardcore Magical user, but I still find myself sometimes copying and pasting, mostly out of laziness or just forgetting to make a template. Like I sometimes think that, oh, this like 2 sentences is so fast, I can just type it, I don't need to make a template. But the thing is, I realize I copy and paste these 2 sentences 50 times a month, and so it actually is in my best interest to just make a template and then use a keyboard trigger for it. So now after you've been copy and pasting on Magical, if you click on the caret in Create and you go to copy and paste templates, you can actually see all the phrases that you've copy and pasted over the last month, as well as the number of times that you've copy and pasted that specific piece of text. Then if you just click on any one of these, you can actually turn this into a template with just 1 click. All you have to do is give it a new keyboard trigger and then you're good to go. The third feature that we have for you guys is our top rated templates hubs. So if you're new to Magical, you're probably looking at a blank template and you're wondering what to fill it with, or maybe you already have some templates of your own but you would love to know what the best practices are for your industry. You can just click on the caret next to Create and head over to our top rated templates. Here we have thousands of templates for you to use, whether you are in sales, recruiting, real estate, healthcare. There's so many different use cases for so many different industries, so be sure to take a look, and in just a few clicks you guys can add them to your workspace and also start using these templates right away. And lastly, we have a Zendesk sync feature for all of our customer support and success reps. If you've been using Zendesk macros and you want to just sync your Zendesk macros with your Magical templates, you can also do that by just clicking on the Create button and selecting Sync Zendesk macros, and then all of your Magical templates and macros will be synced right away and you can just have everything in a streamlined process. So those are the 4 features that we're super excited to release to you guys today. We hope that this helps you make templates a lot easier and just be able to use the actual templates and save tons of time right off the bat without having to think about what to say in your templates and type all of that stuff out yourself. So we hope you guys like it. Be sure to drop a comment down below on any product feedback. We'd love to hear from you guys as always. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more product updates, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.